Hi guys, I'm going to be doing my first ever Five Below unboxing. So let's get started. First, I got I really want to tell you, I got some couple really cool things I really want to show you. So let's get started. First, we have these really cute. I got these from Five Below. They're these little Hot Wheel cars. And I'm going to be unboxing them. So I'm going to first unbox this blue car. And here it is. It's really, really beautiful blue. It's very curly. It's very fast too. Next is this bulldozer or this automobile. There it is up close. I'm going to be opening this one. This is really cool. I like this. It's pretty fast for this one. That's a cool one. Now we're gonna be doing. I've seen these. They're very popular, I think, but they're smooshies. Here's a checklist. I didn't make a video of this, but I do have a s'more one. Yes, I do have a s'more one. And I will be showing him in the video today. But I really want to see what this one is, so let's open it. Oh, I can't wait! I can't wait. I really want to see what's in here. I'll be back with the scissors. I'm back with some scissors for these smooshies. And let's cut it open. So here's the final review. It's a little Pop-Tart! I love him. He's so cute. He's so cute. So I got. Let me read. I got Fifi Frosted Toast. I think it's a Pop-Tart. It says it's Frosted Toast. Fifi Frosted Toast. That's weird. But he's so cute. I mean, look at that smile. And he even has jelly inside. That's a really cute one. He can be driving the truck. Next one up. Oh, I almost forgot. It's a keychain. There. Now, next up. This is the final thing. I'm really excited for this. It's a rolling hamster. He's so cute. Well, let's see which one we got. Blue or pink? I can't wait. Directions. He's a little hamster. We got the pink ball and the pink eye. He's so cute. my gosh. He's so cute. Oh, and he can go in his little ball. He can run in the ball. Oh my gosh, I love this. It says we have to put batteries in him, so I'll be right back with the batteries. And we're back with our own little ratty. He's all set up. And we're gonna put him in his little his little ball. We're gonna turn him on. Oh. I think we're gonna put this upside down and whoa! Hey, buddy. Oh, you're out of control. well, I think we've learned our lesson. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.